Hi friends, welcome to Milan's Tech and Art. So today I'm going to show you how to create a clicker game on Scratch. So first click create, it's loading. After that delete the Scratch cat sprite, then choose a sprite, click on ball or anything you want. After that center the ball, then increase the size by anything you want. I'm choosing 150. After that, go to Events. When green flag is clicked, go to Motion, go to X0 and Y0. After that, go to Events again and choose when the sprite is clicked. Then go to Looks, select the set size to 100% and change it to uh, 250. Okay. After that, go to Control and drag the wait 1 second and change it to 0.1 second. After that, go to Looks again or just duplicate this and remove this wait until and set size to 150. Okay, then let's add sound. So click on start sound pop, anything I want, and go to variables, delete the my variable and make a variable named score. Okay. After that, drag the set score to 0 under when flag is clicked. After that, drag this change score by 1 under this when the sprite clicked. So it is working, you can see. So this is it. Thank you.